Morning guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a review video today. In today's video we are reviewing a set of dash cams for your car. VIOFO kindly sent over two sets of dash cams, so one for me to review and one to give away from you guys. This is the VIOFO A139 free channel dash cam set. Now obviously in today's world loads of people sort of crash into you on purpose, and there's loads of reasons why you would want to have a dash cam, and I thought, you know what, loads of my viewers would probably have or use dash cams or want a dash cam. Now this looks to be like a top of the line set. The UK price for this is 260 quid for a set of these dash cams, and I looked into it and I thought, you know what, some pretty nifty stuff there. So I thought, yeah, it'd be well worth it. I don't have a dash cam in my van. Personally, I don't really need one. I've already got one in my missus' car. So I'm probably going to do a giveaway for both sets of these. But what I am going to do is tell you a little bit about it. I've got to read it off my phone because I've got to unbox everything to get to the instructions and stuff. But basically they've got a front dash cam, they've got a rear dash cam, and they've also got in this kit in-car dash cam to record the driver or passenger or what have you. But yeah, there's free channel recording, and they come with a Sony Starvis sensor, 6-piece infrared, so it should be pretty damn decent, the quality. It's got high speed 5 GHz Wi-Fi and 2.4 gig for the viewing and downloading. It comes with an app. I've installed the app. We're going to have a look at that when we go put this in the motor. It's also got voice recording. You can turn that on and off. It's got a built-in GPS logger as well, which I thought was pretty good. Basically, it's like a blooming computer. Very, very advanced, this thing. It's got 140 degree wide angle lens on the front and 170 degree on the rear. And obviously you can use the app to view what's going on. And what I did think was pretty good, it's got a polarizing lens on it, so you can install that to the main front one. For sun glare and glare off of vehicles and stuff, so you can make that a lot better. Everything's obviously fully adjustable. You can put the memory card in it and stuff and upgrade it, but it's got the option to hardwire it or plug it in via USB, not USB, cigarette lighter sort of thing. So I think that'd be pretty cool, and if you're in the market for one of these, it does look a great bit of kit. So let's get this box open. I'll cut back in a sec. So there's the main dash cam bit for the front. Comes with 3M tape, which I thought was pretty good as well. Obviously that's a screen mount, so you would just sort of stick it onto the windscreen. The camera is fully adjustable, so you can rotate that and get the perfect angle for whatever vehicle it's going in, which I thought was good as well. And you've got some buttons on this dash cam. So what I liked about this, and I thought was pretty good in the dashcam world, so I know not all of them do it, you can manually choose to record, and if there's something that you think you need to record, you can click this button once, the yellow button, and it will record it and lock it for you. So most dashcams record on a loop and they'll re-record over themselves. This one, if you press the yellow button, it locks that bit of footage in so you can keep hold of it. So if anything happens or some dodgy driving or what have you, click that button and you've recorded it all. It's got internal microphones and you can have an external microphone, and we've got the leads here to rig up the other cameras. But that's the main bit in there for the cab. Let's put that back in the foam. I did unwrap it from that. Let's get into the pieces. Let me put you down and do it. There we go guys, so there's the full contents of the kit. This is one of the rear cameras, and another one, I don't know whether the infrared is for internal camera and this is to go out the back window or vice versa, without reading the instructions. You get a warranty card, instructions booklet and some sticky pads as well, depending on how you want to mount it. Inside this little protective box here is the optional lens. This is the UV filter to stop the glare on the front facing camera. Some spare sticky mounts as well, a power lead there, and a huge power lead with a cigarette lighter. If you wanted to wire it like that, you can obviously hardwire this as well. This is your internal lead from the main front camera to whichever one faces the driver or passenger, and then this is your long lead here, looks like 5 meters, and this is what attaches to the rear camera. So you've got plenty of lead there to go connect this up in any of the vehicles that you want to put it in. This is a USB adapter that they've sent over. Can't open that one-handed, but it's got a little cap on it. But yeah, it's branded VIOFO as well. Just pull that off, there we go. So there's your little USB for reading your memory card, which is obviously what you would run in the dash cam. Let's go over to my van, have a look. We'll try and install this and power it up. Right guys, I also found a little trim tool they supplied, which is pretty cool. Right, how easy is this to install for a complete novice who hasn't got a clue? I'm acting like I know nothing about it. I've kind of got half an idea, but I'm presuming most of you would know how to plug something into a cigarette lighter. And that's pretty much all I've done. I followed the instructions. I've downloaded their app. In the little booklet is a QR code, and if you're on Android or if you're on iOS, Apple phones, there is a little QR code in here somewhere. It didn't come with a memory card. You do need a memory card. I went and nicked one out of my GoPros, but it is quite a comprehensive installation guide in here as well, which is pretty easy. And it comes with a QR code, goes straight to their app. So I downloaded their app, connected it to the Wi-Fi on the phone, and I've literally, all I've done is plugged it in, plugged the power cable in the main camera, and plugged one of the little cameras into the second camera. Now obviously we're in my van and I can't put the other camera, which is here with the long lead, out of the rear view window, but obviously if you was in a car you could do that and wire that up as well. So really simple. I just powered it up, turned the Wi-Fi button on, and now this is the app, and it's showing me the front camera and the second camera here. If I look into the second camera, the sun's on me, it's quite a bit of glare, but the quality on this is brilliant. I haven't actually took the protective lens off of that camera because I'm not going to use this. I'm going to actually do a giveaway and give both of these sets away, but I could take the tape off here and I could install that up there and adjust the camera lens. Now if I go switch camera here, I don't know what you're seeing on the screen, but that is crystal clear. That is brilliant. That's HD. It's continuously recording on a loop. And like I said, we can press that button. Now this thing talks to you and everything. It's really weird. So if I press this yellow button, it should have just locked that footage in, which it has. I don't know why it's beeping. There we go. Started. There we go. So it's just told me it's recorded and the video is protected. Now that is pretty cool. So I could imagine that being stuck up there, and then you adjust your camera accordingly what you want it to see, and the app's really handy for that. And if anything happens and someone's driving like a plonker or something like that, you hit that yellow button and it'll record and save the recording and won't let you write over it. You have to take the memory card out and download it onto your computer, which I thought was pretty nifty. I'm not too keen on the internal camera facing driver, but yeah, you know, it ain't a problem. You can go and do that if that's what you want to choose to do. But the camera, quite even just from that, is brilliant, and that's got the lens on it, and it's seeing me fine. So I'm really impressed with that as well. That's pretty good. And you cannot get easier than plug this lead. Oh, I've got loads and loads of lead left. So hence the trim tool. I could run the power cable all round here, all the way down here, and then down to the cigarette lighter, and that'd be such a simple installation. You can't get easier than that. You can hardwire these as well, if you really want to. Then we've got an abundance of cable here to run the rear camera to the rear of the car, which would be as simple as running it down one of the like pillars and then down through the car. So that's really simple. It's kind of idiot proof, even for me, and I'm not really a techie person, but considering that's like lagging, the quality that you would record on the memory card would be pucker, really. Yeah, I mean, look, you can see that on the screen. It's really good. So as far as simple to install, that's a 100% winner for me. You can't get easier than installing that, and it's so self-explanatory. It's actually really easy, and the app is really easy to navigate and to use as well. And the equipment that you get with it, I mean, if you put this polarizing lens on, it would take a lot of the glare away from the camera as well. But like I said to you guys, I don't want to peel everything off this, because I'm going to give this one away as well. I could possibly put that in the missus car, but in all fairness, the other one we've got is fine. It's hardwired, so it's probably not worth me doing that, and you guys could have that, so I kind of prefer to give it away to you guys, so you got something back for supporting the channel, really. You know, I don't do many reviews. I'll only do something that I feel is worthwhile for you guys, and also that I can give away to you guys. So my thoughts on this: the A139 dash camera, I think is absolutely brilliant. It's a lot less confusing than older models, and this looks like it's really high tech in comparison to some of the older things that I have personally seen. To have an app that you could just go on to straight away as well is really good, really handy, and obviously you can position all your cameras exactly where you want them. The rest of it is sort of child proof. It's so simple. You put the lead in where it says to go and off you go. The functions on it are really simple, and it's automatically recording, and it's got also, if it's not recording, what I liked about it was, if these are in here and powered up and someone hits my motor, this will automatically start recording all three cameras, and I thought that was pretty cool. So if someone bumps into your motor, depending on where you've positioned all your cameras, they'll all turn on and start recording automatically. And that could prove to be invaluable, because 9 out of 10 people that have a little bit of a hit and run, that you never find out who's done it. But this senses any kind of what's the word, accident as such. It's got like a built-in sensor. Video protected. Oh, I just hit the video protected button while I'm trying to move things here.
Recording. One channel started.
But yeah, for me, I like things nice and simple. That, in my opinion, is idiot proof.
Recording. 2 channels started.
It's so simple to use. Just turn it off now. That's all easy. You literally, I've plugged that one little cable in now next to the power cable. You've got another one there for the rear, and you can put external microphone in it as well. Yeah, you can play it back on your app, which is really good, easy to use. Yeah, you can't really get any simpler than that. So that's a massive thumbs up from me. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in purchasing one of these, and also I'm going to do a giveaway on both of these sets. What I'm probably going to do, I'm going to do the giveaway in this video, so I'm going to do another one of them random comment picker giveaways, I think. So I'm going to do a video from right now, tonight, when this is uploaded, to Sunday evening. I'm going to give one dash cam away, and I'm probably going to go, I'll do a live probably about, let's call it 8 o'clock in the evening. I'll do a live tomorrow night at 8 o'clock to announce the winner of this dash cam. I'm going to give one away in this video, and what I'm also going to do, the last guy on the last giveaway that I done for the reversing camera, he never got in touch with me, so I've still got that sat there in a box, and I'm going to give that away with this dash cam kit. So this is a £269 bit of kit here, so it's quite an expensive prize, and I'm going to do the other reversing camera with this. So yeah, on tonight's video, on this one, when I upload this, whoever comments on this is entered into the competition, and then I will, this is like a quick draw. So this is going to go live on Saturday, and then I'm going to do the giveaway on Sunday night at 8 PM this Sunday, so one day only, like 24 hours. And then in the live, once I've done the live, I will let you know when I'm going to give the second one away, and we'll do another live to announce the results for that. No, actually, no, let's not do that. Let's do both. Let's do both, yeah, sod it. So I'm going to do a 24-hour giveaway. I'm going to, when this video goes live, anybody that comments on this video will automatically be entered into the draw, and I'm going to pick 2 winners. The first winner that I pick will receive the reversing camera as well, and then the second winner I receive will be another full kit of these dash cams. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. I've made my mind up now, because I also have something else to do a giveaway on that I've got to try and fit in next week. So yeah, if you want to win this dash cam set, there's a chance for 2 of you to win. So the first winner will receive this dash cam kit plus a reverse camera, and the second winner will receive just this A139 dash cam kit on its own. So yeah, all you got to do to enter is make sure you give the video a thumbs up and just leave me a comment. That's it. If there is a comment and no thumbs up from you, you're not winning. Simple as that. So yeah, as always, a massive thanks for watching and sticking with me for my great reviewing skills. But in all honesty, if you are in the market of buying one of these, this is so simple and such a good bit of kit. So have a little look at the link in the description if you do want to get one. It's not an affiliate link, I don't get any money for it, but I'm just saying, I've seen quite a few of these dash cams nowadays, and this is pucker, to be honest. So simple, so easy to install, and looks to be great quality. So that is it from me today on my review on the A139 dash cam from VIOFO. I'm hoping I pronounced that correctly. Yeah, if you want to win, leave us a comment and make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and we'll be doing a live at about 8 o'clock on Sunday evening. So as always, a massive thanks for watching. We'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.